guys, welcome to PCB Reflection. Today we're working on this BMW M3 that was just brought to us, and we're preparing this vehicle for our Expel Ultimate Paint Protection Film. How we here at PCB Reflections prepare a vehicle for our Expel Paint Protection Film application is first by a chemical decontamination. We use Iron X, which dissolves any embedded contamination, phosphorus metals, things like that. It's called a chemical decontamination. We start by pre-soaking all the surfaces that are going to be covered in Expel Paint Protection Film. We also offer this service as a full car service with our yearly Decontamination Wash, which is a proper way to decontaminate your vehicle. So we treat the surface with Iron X for our chemical decontamination, and then we have all these nooks and crevices around the headlights, around these small intricate areas, and all the badging in the grill, the edges. A lot of times mineral deposits, water spots, things like that occur in all these tight areas, and that's surface contamination. The adhesive in Expel Paint Protection Film is not going to stick to a contaminated surface as well as it would to raw clear coat, which is what we want to install this product on. So by doing so, we use this CarPro Spotless, which is a water spot remover. It's a mild acidic cleaner, chemically paint safe, designed to remove hard water spots, mineral deposits, things like that from your clear coat. So what we do is we do a light pre-soak in all these intricate areas, and we'll go around the entire vehicle like this, and then we lightly agitate all these small areas. And what we're using here is a boar's hair brush, which is extremely soft. It has been hydrated for 30 minutes in water to soften it even more. And what we do is we agitate all these intricate areas to ensure that we're removing all the contamination here. So by doing this, we're properly prepping the vehicle. Now this is how we do it here at PCB Reflection. And this is to ensure the main thing that we're doing here, what we're trying to prevent here, is a problem that all PPF installers face at some point in time, is edge lifting. And that's where the PPF starts to lift because it's such a strong product. It's relatively thick, so it will want to go back to its natural state. It can lift. Now we have other precautions that we take to prevent that, but it all starts in the prep. This is step one. So by doing this, and we'll go ahead and buzz over the headlight. It's already been, so we did the chemical decontamination. We've done a basic optimum no rinse wash procedure. Now we're doing our nooks and crevice preparation. And then from here, we will rinse all this away. We will then clay the surface to remove surface contamination that's bonded to the clear coat. Then we will bring the vehicle in, do a paint enhancement polish on all the areas that are getting ready to be covered in paint protection film. And at that point in time, we will then pre-cut our kit on our plotter and install that pre-cut kit that we use Expel DAP system, which is one of the most advanced programs for pre-cutting vehicle paint protection film kits. We will then use our software to pre-cut this kit and install this kit. That ensures that this kit will be installed as professionally as possible. And that's what we try to achieve here at PCB Reflections. We truly appreciate you guys' time. We hope to hear from you soon, and we want to protect your vehicles. Thank you guys. Have a great day.